Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make money with the Base44 AI app builder. This tool lets you create full apps without coding, and you can turn those apps into the real income in a few smart ways. Now, Base44 works by letting you describe the app that you want, and the AI builds the layout, the feature, and the basic logic for you. So once you create an app over here, you can customize its pages, you can add buttons, connect the forms, and export the project. So to make money with Base44, you need to start by creating simple niche app that people need. So here you can give your prompt, or you can just type something like I want to I want to create a calculator. So here, once you hit enter, you can also just simply ask for it to create the apps like planners, the workout trackers, and the small business tools. So these kind of applications sell well because they solve everyday problems. You can list the items on the digital marketplaces, or you can sell them as templates. Another way to earn is through freelancing. You can use Base44 to build the apps for the clients quickly. Since the AI handles most of the structure, you spend less time building and earn more from each project. You can also sell the subscription-based tools. If your app collects the leads, track the progress, or offer premium features, you can turn it into a monthly subscription product and earn passively. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.